Looking for a simple, effective way to protect your investment without adding bulk? Let's talk about the Disscool PC case for the Garmin Forerunner 945 and 935. First, its core purpose is clear: straightforward, everyday protection. This isn't a bulky armor case. It's a slim, soft polycarbonate skin designed to guard against the inevitable bumps, scrapes, and scratches of daily wear. It specifically shields the outer bezel and case, which helps prevent issues like moisture getting into seams and can even reduce accidental screen touches from the edges. The standout feature here is the material. It's made from a flexible, high-quality PC that feels smooth and is environmentally friendly, with no skin irritation. Installation is a major pro. It simply snaps on and off in seconds, making it effortless to clean your watch or switch styles. It truly turns your performance watch into a bit of a fashion statement, offering a sleek, matte black finish that maintains a professional look. In real-world use, this case is perfect for the office, gym, or outdoor adventures where you want lightweight protection. It preserves the original design and button feel while adding a crucial layer of defense. The main pro is its perfect balance of protection and minimalism. The con? Well, it only protects the case, not the screen, so you'll still want a separate screen protector for full coverage. Also, remember, it's exclusively for the Forerunner 945 and 935 models. Compared to bulkier silicone cases, this Disscool option is far more discreet and less likely to trap dust and sweat. A practical tip: ensure your watch is clean and dry before snapping the case on for the most secure fit. In closing, if you want affordable, scratch-proof protection that doesn't compromise your watch's sleek profile, the Disscool PC case is a fantastic, no-fuss solution. It does exactly what it promises. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more reviews.